Today we're going to do 2.4 variables and expressions. So we've talked about, variables and equations. Okay, expressions is what we've done before. So variables, again, is the letters that are representing numbers. And equations now means there's an equal sign. All right, so equations are, let me see what color this is, math, sentence, with an equal sign. So before, when we were doing expressions, the equal sign, there was no equal sign. It was just the expressions there. There was no, it would just been 9 plus 2. Okay, where now we have an equal sign. So now we have to say, are these things true, false, or is it an open sentence? So these are kind of examples. So 9 plus 2 equals 11. Is this true? Does 9 plus 2 equal 11? Does the left side equal the right side? Yes. Okay, so this would be true, and this would be considered a numerical equation. Where before we'd say a numerical expression. Now it's an equation. What about this one? 9 plus 3. Well, 9 plus 3 is 11. I'm sorry. 9 plus 3 is 12. Does 12 equal 8? No, so this would be false. So it might just say, is the equation true or false? Or is the statement true or false? And this would be numerical as well, even though it's false. Numerical equation. Okay, moving on. X plus 5 equals 23. So anytime you have a variable, it's going to be an open sentence. Because we don't know if it's going to be true or false. It depends on what number you put in there. Okay, it's an open sentence, and this is a variable equation. Alrighty, so true, false, or open is what you're looking for there. Whoops, I guess you want to be able to see it. Okay, so are the following true, false, or open? So this is just practice. Is the following true, false, or open? As soon as you see that variable, you can stop, because you know it's going to be open. You're done. That's it. Over here, 70 minus 5. Well, 70 minus 5 is 65. Does 65 equal 65? Yes, so that is a true statement. So that's true. Yes, the left side equals the right side. Moving on, write an equation. 20 minus x is 3. So before where we would write expressions, now we're writing equations. So 20 minus x is, it might say equals, but if it says is, that's also equals 3. That you're done. We're not solving them yet. Okay, that's it. So that's all you do on that one. All right. Solution of an equation. So, a solution of an equation, let me write this down for you, is the value of the variable that makes the equation true. So basically, a solution is exactly what it sounds like. It's what's going to make the equation true, is all that means. It's the number that makes the equation true, the value. So you might get a question like number 4. Is 30 a solution to 170 plus x equals 700? Well, 170, this is where we, just like we did before, we plug and chug. Okay, 170 plus 30 equals 200. Well, 170 plus 30 is, class, 200. So 200 equals 200. Yes. Is it a solution? Yes. Okay. Is 1 a solution to this problem? So now you got 2 places to put it in. Whoops. 8 plus 1 equals 2 times 1. Well, 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2. Those do not equal, so that would be no. It's that simple. Okay, moving on. A diver's equipment weighs, so this is the same thing we've been doing, it's just now it's in a word problem. A diver's equipment weighs 35 pounds. The diver plus the equipment can only weigh less than or equal to 265 pounds. That's written poorly, sorry about that. Can the diver's weight be 225? So can the diver weigh 225? His equipment already weighs 35 pounds. The diver plus the equipment has to be less than or equal to 265 pounds. So can the diver's weight be 225? So if we have 225 pounds and we add 35 pounds to it, is that going to be less than or equal to, whoops, 200, we haven't really gotten to inequality, so you can put an equal sign there if you want. But it can't, his weight can't be over, or her weight cannot be over 265 with the weight of the equipment. So when we add this together, what are we going to get? 5 and 5 is 0, 3 over 6, 260. So yes, they can weigh 225. Okay, 225 plus, yep. Okay, because it's less than 265. Okay, is the following true, false, or open? So this is one where I would definitely want to see some work shown. Okay, so we have to do, I kind of use a funny font on this, so like that 8's higher, just kind of go with it. So we have to do our parentheses first. So 3 minus 8 is going to give us -5 times -2 equals, what we do on the inside, remember this is cha-ching, so it's really -3 plus 8, which is +5. So -2 times -5 is +10, because a negative times a negative is a positive, remember? And 2 times 5 is 10. So this is a true statement.